Hello guys, in today's video we will review the new FOSSiBOT F101, a new brand on the smartphone market, and this is the world's loudest rugged phone ever made. With a 555 watt power, the speaker boasts 123 decibel loudness, undoubtedly one of the loudest speakers on the rugged smartphone. The phone also features a massive 10,600 mAh battery and compact dimensions for one-handed use and much more at a very affordable price. So let's take a look. Now let's see what's in this orange box. Right at the top there is our phone. We will put it aside. What else we do with here in the box? F101 user manual. Here is the SIM card pin. Then we have this USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And finally we have this 18 watts fast charger. That will be the contents of this package. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. The rugged smartphone FOSSiBOT F101 belongs to the category of entry-level devices, but it has a number of additional functions and comes with an affordable price. As we can see, it is a smartphone with a fairly compact dimensions by today's standards. So from the front we have a pleasant 5.45-inch IPS display with a HD Plus resolution 1440 by 720 pixels, which is protected for damage and scratches by durable Dragon Rail glass. The screen is classic without notches and holes in the display, which we like. It also has a quite thin frames for this type of phone. Above the frame it is an 8 megapixel selfie camera with facial recognition and screen unlocking. When we turn the mobile phone on the back, a surprise awaits us here in the form of this massive loudspeaker. In the module next to it we find a triple camera setup with a 24 megapixel primary camera sensor and 5 megapixel plus 0.3 megapixel secondary sensor, and there is a LED flash. Below that we find the decent FOSSiBOT logo. Moving on to physical features of the phone, the right side of the device boasts a sleek black steel frame which houses two buttons. The first one is to adjust volume up and down, while the second button serves both the power off-on switch and the fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone, under the rubber cap, you will find the SIM micro SD card tray, which supports 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card, as well as the programmable button. This button can be customized according to your wishes to perform various functions with the phone or install applications in it, and can be activated while single click or long press. Finally, on the bottom of the phone we have the USB Type-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. As you may have noticed, the back of the phone is made with these perforated lines, which contribute to a very pleasant feeling to the touch and great laying in the hand without fear of slipping. As we have already said, it is a fairly compact phone for use with one hand, which is a rarity among robust phones these days. To repeat, on the front we have 18:9 aspect ratio, 5.45-inch HD Plus diagonal display with 1440 by 720 pixel resolution with a fingerprint resistant holophobic coating that offers you a splendid and a comfortable vision experience. Above the screen is 8 megapixel front camera with a face unlock function. The screen is really bright, has sharp colors and has wide viewing angles, which are more than great for consuming visual content even on sunny days. In short, with the FOSSiBOT F101 in this entry-level category, you will get a reliable and good quality screen suitable for all media consumption, whether you are watching YouTube videos, browsing web pages or typing on the social media. Now we go back on the back side, composed of the Samsung 24 megapixel main camera with the 5 megapixel macro sensor and the 0.3 megapixel sensor for the bokeh effect. The rear camera setup accompanies you to snap more details, whether it's close shots or distant views. The colors are not too saturated and the images look really natural, and the AI function does them flawlessly. In terms of the video recording, cameras are capable of capturing videos in 1080, 720 720 and 480 pixel recording on 30 fps frame rates. Rear camera photography features the normal mode, night mode, pro mode, macro mode, portrait, panorama mode, time-lapse and all other standard camera modes. To get a feel for the camera's performance, we decided to walk around the neighborhood and try out the camera's capabilities. Check out the sample photos and videos taken using this F101. Based on these samples, it's safe to say that the FOSSiBOT F101 camera is ideal for capturing memories and sharing them on the social media. Although it may not be the best option for professional photographies, it's more than sufficient for most users. In addition to its camera features, the FOSSiBOT F101 boasts a massive speaker that is claimed to be one of the loudest on any smartphone. With a 25.5mm diameter, 11.5cc sound cavity and 3.5W peak power, it can produce volumes up to 123 decibels, making it one of the loudest phone speakers available. Not only it is loud, but it also provides hi-fi stereo quality sound and exceptional tonal balance. With this speaker in your pocket, you will never need to purchase an additional outdoor speaker again. Plus, it is waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor parties and gatherings. Trust us, it is incredibly, unbelievably loud. this smartphone is equipped with a power-efficient MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor that runs on a clock speed of 2.0 GHz. It boasts 4 GB of RAM and can also virtually expand up to 3 GB through flash memory, providing a total of 7 GB of RAM on this device. The internal memory capacity of 64 GB and can be expanded up to 128 GB with the micro SD card. Overall, this smartphone provides a smooth multitasking experience. While it may not be able to handle the most demanding games, it can certainly handle new video games without any issues. However, it is important to note that the gaming is not the primary purpose of this device. The FOSSiBOT F101 runs on the latest stock Android 12 OS and contains most of the features that come with the system, the most important, which is the presence of all Google services, so the performance of this phone is more than good as an entry-level smartphone focused on daily use and is equipped with a set of specifications and features that other smartphones cannot offer, making this phone an interesting experience of use. As an entry-level smartphone designed for everyday use, the F101 provides exceptional performance and comes equipped with a unique set of specifications and features that are not typically found on other smartphones. It's fueled by a massive 10,600 mAh battery, which gives you 44 days on standby, 96 hours on call, 11 hours on playing games, or 15 hours of outdoor navigation, which makes it an excellent companion for outdoor adventures or long travels. The phone supports 80 watts fast charging with a fully charged battery in approximately 3 hours. I don't think I ever have to mention that this smartphone is IP68, IP69K rated and certified by MIL-STD 810G military resistant standard. The F101 has a base resistant to water, dust and falls and is tough enough to be survived in various harsh environments. All durability tests prove its ruggedness, and the superb waterproof, dustproof and drop-proof performance makes it a trustworthy outdoor companion. In conclusion, it is unlikely that you will find a smartphone on the market with as many unique features as the F101. Overall, the F101 is an outstanding device that won't disappoint you, especially considering the affordable price. It's undoubtedly one of the best budget rugged compact smartphones available, offering exceptional value for its price. If you are interested in purchasing the FOSSiBOT F101, and I know you are after this review, make sure to check out the official sales links below this video, take advantage of the reduced price and get your hands on this fantastic smartphone today. That will be all for now, stay tuned for the next video, bye!